Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revisiting the exciting world of text-to-speech generation with a look at the groundbreaking Orpheus TTS model recently released by Canopy AI. This open-source speech language model is truly impressive, capable of generating incredibly natural and expressive human-like speech that rivals even the best closed-source options out there. Orpheus stands out with its ability to convey emotion, control intonation, and even perform zero-shot voice cloning, all while being incredibly fast. Here, let's take a quick listen to some demo examples.
Hey there, guys. It's Tara here, and let me introduce you to Zach, who seems to be asleep. Zach, it's time to wakey wakey.
Ugh, I was having such a great dream. Why are you bothering me? What time is it anyway?
Classic Zach, always. So groggy. Well, it's time to introduce Orpheus to the world. Orpheus is a speech-language model that sounds like an actual person. You know, like a living, breathing person.
Being released under the Apache 2 license means it's freely available for you to use, modify, and explore for both personal and commercial projects, which is fantastic for the open-source community. To make this powerful model even more accessible, I want to introduce you to a fantastic open-source project called Orpheus FastAPI Web UI. This project provides a sleek and user-friendly web interface built with FastAPI that allows you to easily run Orpheus TTS. It's packed with features like an OpenAI-compatible API, a modern web UI with waveform visualization, and support for multiple voices and emotion tags to really bring your text to life. What's even better is that it's optimized for performance, especially on RTX GPUs. Now, to make things even easier for you, I've created a fork of this project that comes with built-in support for LM Studio right out of the box. This version also extends the context window to a massive 8192 tokens and utilizes the GGUF model format, meaning it's less demanding on your system's resources and can even run smoothly on GPUs with less than 4 GB of VRAM. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the process of installing this amazing project locally on your own machine, so you can start experimenting with Orpheus TTS right away. Now, if you're looking for a super quick and easy way to get up and running without the manual installation process, I've got you covered. Over on my Patreon page, I've created a one-click Windows installer for this Orpheus FastAPI project. This installer handles all the dependencies and setup for you and includes handy startup files to simplify managing and launching the project. Plus, by becoming a patron, you'll gain access to a whole library of exclusive content, including custom AI workflows, one-click installers for other awesome open-source AI tools like Comfy UI for image generation, LoRa training resources, voice cloning guides, and even Collab resources. It's a great way to support the channel and get access to even more AI goodies. So stick around and let's jump into setting up Orpheus TTS FastAPI on your local system. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more awesome AI content. Okay, let's move on to getting Orpheus TTS FastAPI Web UI up and running on your local machine. Now, if you're a Patreon member and opted for the one-click installer, the process is incredibly straightforward. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have LM Studio installed. Just head over to the LM Studio website and download the version compatible with your operating system. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, the installation is just a few clicks. Once LM Studio is installed, Patreon members can simply download the Orpheus TTS LM Studio Windows batch file from my Patreon post and double-click it to kick off the installation. This batch file will automatically install my forked version of the Orpheus TTS FastAPI. This special version comes pre-configured to work seamlessly with the LM Studio API, has that extended 8192 context window we talked about, and takes care of installing all the necessary software bits and pieces or dependencies for you. After the installer finishes, you'll find a quick start file in the project directory. Just use that to launch the web UI. Now let's get the Orpheus model into LM Studio. Open up LM Studio and go to the Discover tab. In the search bar, type Orpheus and you should see the Orpheus 3B 4K MGGUF model pop up. Go ahead and download that one. It's quite compact, and from my testing, it runs smoothly even on systems with as little as 4 GB of VRAM. Once the download is complete, switch over to the Developer tab in LM Studio. Here, you'll load in the Orpheus model you just downloaded. Loading the model will automatically start up the LM Studio API server in the background, and it'll be ready to communicate with our web UI right away. Now, for those of you who are going the manual installation path, don't worry, it's still quite manageable. To keep things clean and avoid any software conflicts, we're going to use Miniconda. Miniconda is a package manager that creates isolated environments for your projects, so everything stays organized. Just Google Miniconda and go to the Anaconda website. Download the Miniconda installer for your operating system and run through the installation process. Once Miniconda is installed, we need to open up the Anaconda prompt. Just type Anaconda prompt into your Windows search bar and click to open it. In the Anaconda prompt, we're going to create a dedicated environment for our Orpheus TTS project. Type this command exactly: conda create -n Orpheus TTS Python equals 3.10-y. It's important to use Python 3.1 for this environment, as other versions might cause issues with the software dependencies. After the environment is created, activate it by typing conda activate Orpheus TTS. You'll see the name of the environment, Orpheus TTS, appear at the beginning of your command prompt, letting you know you're in the correct environment. Now, let's navigate to the folder where you want to install the project files. Use the cd command followed by the path to your desired folder. For example, if you created a new folder called Orpheus Projects, you would type cd Orpheus Projects. Make sure you also have Git installed on your system. Git allows us to easily download projects from GitHub. If you don't have it, just Google Git download, click on the link from the Git SCM website, and download and install Git for your operating system. With Git installed, we're ready to clone the Orpheus Fast API Web UI repository. Head over to the Orpheus Fast API LM Studio GitHub repository. I'll put a link in the description below for you. Copy the repository link from the GitHub page. Back in your Anaconda prompt, type git clone and then paste the repository link you just copied and press enter. This will download the project files to your chosen directory. Once the cloning is done, navigate into the newly created project folder by typing cd Orpheus Fast API LM Studio. Next, let's install PyTorch with CUDA support for GPU acceleration. You can copy this command directly from the repository and run it inside your terminal. If you're using Windows, don't forget to remove the 3 from the pip command, as this is mainly used for Linux and Mac. Finally, to install all the necessary software packages, run the command pip install rrequirements.txt. This will install all the dependencies needed to run the project within our isolated conda environment. After everything is installed, to start the Fast API server, simply type python app.py and press enter. Once the server is running, open your web browser and go to the address 127.0.0.15005. This should take you directly to the Orpheus Fast API Web UI. From this point on, whether you use the one-click installer or the manual method, the process is the same. You'll need to have LM Studio running with the Orpheus 3B4KM GGUF model loaded and the API server started, just like we covered earlier. Once that's set up, you can come back to the Orpheus Fast API Web UI and start generating audio. Using the Web UI is really straightforward. Just type in the text you want to convert to speech in the text box. You can use those emotion tags we talked about earlier, like laugh or sigh, to add extra expressiveness to the generated voice. You can also select from the 8 different voices available in the project. If you click the Advanced Options button, you'll find a slider to adjust the speech speed. Once you're happy with your settings, click Generate Speech. On my RTX 4056 GB card, it usually takes less than a minute to generate audio, though longer text will take a bit longer, of course. It's a little slower than some other open-source TTS options like Kokoro TTS, which I covered in a video about a month ago, but the quality, in my opinion, is noticeably more realistic. Don't just take my word for it, though. Have a listen to this example.
You won't believe what just happened. It was the funniest thing ever. I literally almost forgot to subscribe to the local lab channel.
So whether you chose the quick one-click route or went through the manual installation, you now have the powerful Orpheus TTS model running locally on your machine with a user-friendly web interface. Experiment with the different voices, emotion tags, and settings to really explore the capabilities of this amazing open-source text-to-speech model. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and open-source project spotlights.